Very good morning, dear guys. Today we are going to continue the same autobiography, that is Long Walk to Freedom. Here, in that we have seen, as he mentioned, as Nelson Mandela mentioned in his autobiography, there on the inaugural ceremony, the two national anthems were sung, and why we have already seen. Okay, the two national anthems were sung on that occasion, which symbolized the two races, blacks and the whites, and their feelings. Okay, later on, let's see what is given there in that extract. Here, on the day of the inauguration, what happened there? I was overwhelmed. Here, he expressed his feelings, his strong emotions. What happened there? On that day, on that inauguration day, Nelson Mandela was overwhelmed. He was overwhelmed. He was surrounded by the strong feelings. अचानक उसमें एक स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग्स आ जाती है. देयर वॉज इफेक्ट ऑन हिम ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग्स. एंड व्हाट वाज दैट स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग्स? Here he was overwhelmed with a sense of history. A sense of history means actually on that day he remembered the history that had happened with the blacks. On that day there was a strong effect on him of the history. Yes, look at there, a sense of history. Why what was the history? Here he gave a brief idea about the history of South Africa. There he says, in the first decade of the 20th century, 20th century, that means from 1900 to 1909, the first decade. In that first decade, this is called first decade of the 20th century. First decade of the 20th century. What happened there? A few years after the bitter Anglo-Boer War. Okay, you might have studied this in history. Anglo-Boer War. Okay, so actually this had happened on South African soil. This fight was between South Africans and British. Okay, so here this bitter Anglo War, a few years after the bitter Anglo War, and before my own birth, that means before the birth of Nelson Mandela, something had happened there. कुछ तो भी वहाँ हुआ था. After the Anglo War and before the birth of Nelson Mandela. Okay, what had happened there? क्या हुआ था? There, the white-skinned peoples of South Africa, patched up their differences and erected a system of racial domination. So here what happened? The white people of South Africa patched up means they had a bond, or they solved all the differences between the white people of South Africa and the British. Okay, so these two people, British and white people of South Africa, they patched up their differences. And erected means established. Okay, so these white people of South Africa and British both the both people established a system. Okay, so these two people established a system, and that system is called apartheid. We have already seen. So here the British and the white people of South Africa, they patched up their differences, and they had bond, or they established a good bond between them, and a new system was erected there, new system was established there, and that was apartheid system. Okay, look at what is given there. So they erected a system of racial domination. That means that apartheid political system. Yes, so they established a racial domination against the black skinned peoples of their own land. So here the white people of South Africa patched up with the British and established a new system against the blacks of their own land. उनके खुद के सरजमी के जो ब्लैक लोग होते उनके खिलाफ उन्होंने एक नया रेशियल डोमिनेशन एस्टेब्लिश किया, अ सिस्टम ऑफ रेशियल डोमिनेशन. दैट मीन्स द व्हाइट्स, दे पैच्ड अप देयर रिलेशंस, देयर डिफरेंसेस विद द ब्रिटिश, and they established a new system of racial domination, that is apartheid, against their own people, against the black skinned people of their own land. उनकी खुद की सरजमी के जो ब्लैक लोग थे उनके अगेंस्ट में उन्होंने एक नया सिस्टम एस्टेब्लिश किया, एंड द स्ट्रक्चर दे क्रिएटेड फॉर्म द बेसिस ऑफ वन ऑफ द हार्शेस्ट, मोस्ट ह्यूमन societies the world has ever known. And here look at what is given, the structure they established or they means the white people of South Africa and British. These people created a structure, एक structure उन्होंने बनाया. Yes, and that structure formed the most inhuman society. Inhuman, look at that, the word is used there, inhuman, अमानवीय, जो इंसानों पे बिल्कुल लागू नहीं होता, एक ब्रुटल बोल सकते हैं, ब्रुटल सिस्टम दे एस्टेब्लिश्ड, ब्रुटल स्ट्रक्चर दे क्रिएटेड, very brutal, inhuman and harshest. Look at the word is used there, the harshest, one of the harshest, एकदम कठोर, बहुत ज़्यादा कठोर एंड इनह्यूमन उन्होंने सोसाइटी एस्टेब्लिश की. दे फॉर्म सच स्ट्रक्चर, एंड अगेन दैट स्ट्रक्चर वाज सो मच हार्शेस्ट दैट द वर्ल्ड हैज़ एवर नोन. मतलब दुनिया ने आज तक ऐसा हार्शेस्ट सिस्टम कभी नहीं देखा था, इतना भयानक ब्रुटल सिस्टम वहाँ दिस वाइट पीपल of South Africa and British had established against the black skinned people of South Africa. साउथ अफ्रीका के ब्लैक स्किन्ड लोगों के अगेंस्ट में इतना भयानक उन्होंने सिस्टम वहां एस्टैब्लिश किया. ओके, एंड देन नाउ इन द लास्ट डिकेड ऑफ द 20th century, and when on that occasion, on that ceremony, on that inaugural ceremony, Nelson Mandela remembered the past, the history of South Africa, and that sense of history overwhelmed him. The sense of history, ये सेंस ऑफ हिस्ट्री जब उन्होंने वहाँ रिमेंबर किया, याद आई उनको, तो ही वॉज मोर अफेक्टेड, बहुत ज़्यादा अफेक्टेड हो गए फॉर द ऑफ दैट स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग दैट ही हैड. वो जो स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग उसके मन में निर्माण हुई, उसकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा वो व्याकुल हो गए थे. यस, as he remembered the past, what had happened with the black people, black skinned people. And then look at again what there he said, in the last decade of the 20th century, or abhi in the last decade of the 20th century, last decade means that is 1990, to this period is called last decade of the 20th century. And here in the last decade of the 20th century, as we have seen in 1994, the non-racial government was established there on 10th May. So what happened there in the last decade of the 20th century, and my own 8th decade as a man. 8th decade means here नेल्सन मंडेला was of 80s. ये हाँ 80s की उम्र में थे कौन? नेल्सन मंडेला in 1994. Yes. So what happened there? That system, which one? This apartheid system, a system, the racial domination, a system of racial domination, a system of racial domination. That system had been overturned forever. Overturned means finished. उल्टा कर फेंक देना, उलट फेर कर देना. Yes, overturned, उलट फेर कर देना. So now here this system, a system of racial domination, that means apartheid system is now overturned, finished, destroyed. It is now destroyed and replaced. And this system, apartheid system, a system of racial domination, is replaced or was replaced by one that recognized the rights and freedoms of all peoples. Yes, means now this system, a system of racial domination, that means apartheid system, was replaced. This system is now replaced by the non-racial government. Here he said that actually non-racial government. Look at that. There he mentioned कि by one means एक ऐसी गवर्नमेंट से that recognize, consider the rights and freedoms of every person, जो हर एक व्यक्ति के राइट्स के फ्रीडम को क्या करता है, राइट्स को फ्रीडम्स को रिकॉग्नाइज करता है, मानता है. ऐसे गवर्नमेंट का यहाँ एस्टेब्लिशमेंट हुआ है. एंड दिस नॉन रेशियल गवर्नमेंट रिप्लेस्ड द सिस्टम ऑफ racial domination. Yes, so this is what here he says, the difference between the first decade of the 20th century and the last decade of the 20th century. What had happened in the first decade of 20th century and now in the last decade of 20th century, what had happened? In the last decade of the 20th century, the apartheid system, the system of racial domination, was overturned. It was removed off. It was destroyed. And the new government was established. This system was replaced by the new government where the rights and freedoms of every person is recognized. Yes, and then he says, and regardless of the color of their skin, without thinking about their color of skin. स्किन के कलर के बिना विचार किए, बिना सोचे समझे, the new government is established which promise the rights and freedom of every person without thinking of their skin's color. स्किन के कलर का विचार न करते हुए all are equal, all are have rights and freedom. Yes. So this is what the old system was replaced by the new one, and new one is non-racial government, democracy. Yes. So then look there what he said, that day had come about through the unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of my people. And look at there he said, that day had come. That day means the establishment of non-racial government. Yes, That day actually there he referred about the victory in the elections, in the parliament elections. Here he talking about that day, the result of election, the declaration of the result of the election. That day had come about. अब वो कैसे आया? That day had come about through the unimaginable unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of my people. That means here he says we got victory in that election, or now we are installed, or we have now, there is installation of non-racial government. We have installed the non-racial government, democracy in South Africa. But that day had come about through, ये दिन कैसे आया है? By the unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of people. Thousands, हजारों की संख्या में लोगों ने सेक्रीफाइस किया. My people, that means blacks. Yes, it is just the result of the sacrifices of thousands black people. हजारों की संख्या में जो ब्लैक लोगों ने अपनी लाइफ का सेक्रीफाइस किया. अनइमेजिनेबल सेक्रीफाइस. लुक एट द हियर ही सेड अनइमेजिनेबल, दैट वी कैन नॉट इमेजिन. यस, मतलब जिन्हें हम इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते, इतना सेक्रीफाइस ब्लैक लोगों ने दिया है टू अचीव दिस गोल और टू एस्टैब्लिश द नॉन रेशियल गवर्नमेंट. देन हियर ही सेज people whose suffering and courage can never be counted or repaid, and the people, the blacks who had sacrificed their life, who had given unimaginable sacrifices to get freedom and get rights or to establish the non-racial government, their courage and suffering, जो भी उन्होंने धाड़स दिखाया, जो भी उन्होंने करेज दिखाया, whatever the sufferings they had suffered, जो भी sufferings उन्होंने सफर किया है, can never be counted or repaid. Can never be counted. उन्हें हम कभी ना काउंट कर सकते हैं और ना ही रिपे कर सकते हैं. Definitely we cannot repay or recount them. ना ही हम उन्हें काउंट कर सकते हैं और ना ही रिपे कर सकते हैं. वी कैनॉट. यस, सो सच ह्यूज अनइमेजिनेबल सैक्रिफाइसेस वर गिवन. ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा पैमाने में एंड अनइमेजिनेबल सैक्रिफाइसेस वहाँ ब्लैक लोगों के द्वारा दिए गए हैं. आई फेल्ट दैट डे एज आई हैव ऑन सो मेनी अदर डेज that I was simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before me. And there he said, I felt that day means when they had a victory over the whites. That day here he says, that day means actually here he is again talking about that inauguration ceremony. That day, what happened there he felt that day. Nelson Mandela felt. उस दिन उन्होंने रियलाइज किया, फील किया क्या, कि एज आई हैव ऑन सो मेनी अदर डेज, मीन्स एज ही फील्स सेम और एज ही फेल्ट द सेम ऑन अदर डेज टू. बाकी दिन भी बिल्कुल सेम ही फील करते हैं जैसे उन्होंने उस दिन फील किया. क्या फील किया उस दिन उन्होंने? कि I was, that means he was simply the sum of all those African patriots. He is just the sum. मतलब वो क्या है? सिर्फ sum है, total of all the African patriots. And why did he say that he is the just sum of all the patriots? Why? Because due to these patriots, African patriots only, he got that courage. He got that dare to fight against the whites. He got inspiration from them, motivation from them, and due to that motivation, inspiration, and their, what can I say, their guideline, here Nelson Mandela came forward became the leader and fought for the blacks and achieved this goal. And that's why here he says, I am just the sum, means he is just the sum of all the sacrifices or of all the African patriots. So there he says, I was just simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before him. जो इनके पहले गुजर गए हैं उन सब के सब जो जितने भी पैट्रियोट्स हैं उनका करेज जो भी है, सफरिंग जो भी, उनका सिर्फ टोटल है ये. Why? Because he got inspiration from them, motivation from them, and he got the real meaning of courage, or he learned the real meaning of courage from them. And that's why here he called himself the total, the sum of all the African patriots. Then here he says, that long and noble line ended and now began again with me. So there he said, now that noble line, look at the long and noble line. Why did he say that long and noble line? Here the people who had sacrificed their life for the emancipation of the blacks, the line is ended now. Why? Because now the non-racial government is established. But here he called this line as a long and noble. Why? Because these people are great. They have suffered unimaginable, or they have given unimaginable sacrifices, and that's why here he called that line as a noble line. Noble, yes, बहुत ही उच्च, renowned, eminent, noble line. Yes. Why? Because these people have sacrificed even their life for the emancipation of the blacks, and that's why he called that line the list of the people who sacrificed their life. They died for the freedom of the blacks. He called them, or he called that list a long and noble line. Yes. Why? Because these people have sacrificed their life. They died for the freedom of the blacks. Even they sacrificed a lot for the emancipation of the blacks. And that's why he called that list or that line as the long and noble. Okay. Then here he says it is ended now. Ended. Why it is ended now? Because now there is no need to sacrifice one's life. There is no need. Why? Because now the non-racial government is established already. So there is no need now. Then here he says, now began again with me. Now began again with me means now the new list, another list started with him. And what is that? The presidents of blacks. The another list. Yes, another line. So, dear, I stop myself here. Remaining part we will do in our next video lecture. Bye bye.